Chai, ogene ntike. Obo piano no mogene o. Ogene ndi Diego. Kwalo no mogene o. Ogene ndike. Mane fagu mi ogene o. Ogene ndike.
Madam, you see, this is our line of business. You understand? It has always been like this. In the beginning, it was like this. Today, it is like this, and forever it shall be like this. You understand? So this is what we do. In fact, anytime we carry load, it's either it's on top or I am on top.
For barrow.
You know. So this is not it's not the end of the road, though. Our main objective is to fly. So we decided to start with 1 tire. From 1 tire now, we go to 2 tires. From 2 tires, 3. From 3 to 4. Before you know it, you are flying.
Madam, with all these things we explain to you, supposed to know this business what we do. Now joint business. Now collaborate with the collaborate. For anything, one person they drive, we they do them together. One person must do on top to conduct, that is conductor. And one person must do they down to drive, that is driver. Now what do they do? Don't inside the shout, and I saw my voice pure.
I beg now for boss, this one they have.
Madam, now what you call boss, I ain't gonna be your boss. You understand? You see this already for this place now. Our own boss be this. You understand? So relax yourself.
I know they go again. Carry my goods down.
So you want make I come down?
Yes.
Carry your goods down. So wait, madam. No, boy, wait.
Carry it down.
You want to tell me that all this explanation that I
I'm not going again.
Wait.
Now we bring this thing down.
Carry it down.
So you want to tell me that? Come, madam. You want to tell me now that all this explanation will go through?
Carry my goods.
So this explanation means let's
I'm not going again.
Okay, now we bring this thing down. How much? How much? Put your hand now we throw this thing down.
For how much? Because of 200 naira.
Carry it down.
Come on, wait.
That's what I do for me.
Because of how much?
Because of 200.
How much?
Now you open your mouth. I even
I got you 200 naira.
Now we leave.
Boy, come. I should say this girl. You remember that Ashawo house?
I know they know.
You know that Ashawo house?
For yesterday.
Yesterday. You hear that voice when they talk for inside say, customer, come and give me 150. How much is your time? How much is your time?
There we go. Because of 200 naira. Now you come here when they warm your mouth. Can you be the first person who don't carry you? Can you be the first person? And even the people when we don't get their things before. That's what we do.
Let them vibrate. Wait.
If you don't pay 200, we will give you 400. Give me money, give me money.
Let me support you.
Come, let me go.
Go.
Imagine. There you go. If you don't give us 200, we can give you 400.
Ashawo go see for evening. We go see for evening. Ashawo.
How many black on I said yesterday?
5 Oga.
So.
No, Oga, you know say market no day.
From morning reach night, 5.
Yes, Oga.
Right. So where the money?
Oga, you know as you take do am na me I sabi you. As I can't sell finish, I run sharp go and go pay am.
That one a good thing what you do. Unless you don't learn that one, if your husband they say plank tomorrow, you know how you go to keep the money. So what they gonna carry come here where you carry money for?
Oga, that woman wey dey near our shop, where they sell mineral, talk say you buy pure water yesterday.
I pay him.
Yes, I don't say you pay am. She can't give me change yesterday, say make I give you, and it don't late.
How much I give her?
200, Oga.
How much there?
Now 190. I say make I can't show you, may we share am for shop, carry am chop. Money no dey for shop.
Mary?
Oga.
You gonna share my money? Mary, you gonna share my money? Hey! So that's what I said since. Now so that they share my money since. Okay, go. You want my account number? Go pay this money into my account number now. Inshallah, take 190 come up on here. This team in trouble. You know how much they pay you for 1 month? You know the place where they go before I pay you for 1 month. You know how much they pay you? 4,000 naira. Now they pay you. If you don't know, 3 of you 4,000 naira. Now they pay you. When they say the money chop. Mary, get out. Mary, get out. Idiot. Says girl. I never hear Kegum. I go to stay for that shop myself. Hey! I remember. Ohaka 190. Kunuke.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, come down. Come down. Now. We don't reach. Not be Amagugu Junction. We don't reach Amagugu Junction.
No, like you can't go inside here.
Can you go inside where? For what?
What do they talk like this?
Collect our money. Plus money. No be Amagugu Junction.
Yeah, now Amagugu Junction. Stay inside. You can't go inside.
You should like a we can. You tell him where they feed that from. You get us TikTok say if we reach Amagugu Junction, but we can enter inside.
What do they talk? See, a bless the 12 na they run mad.
Okay, now the man.
Now they colo. Make I tell you now, every charter gets his own last destination. If I need that money, when I drop me for my destination.
Wait. He said make we carry you go that inside.
Yes.
I no go do it.
Make I tell you one truth where you go know.
Imagine
destination or no destination. Where you dey fill your form.
People will gather.
Charge you 800 naira for Amagugu Junction. Now we don't reach Amagugu Junction. If they talk say we will carry enter inside.
You know what is here?
Extra charge.
You know what is now lie.
Now lie
for us now. Imagine you.
Will they feel your height?
See these guys. See, make I just tell you something, This is not the first time when they enter Kekewege conductor.
As it takes stupid rich. Since when they born you never see Kekewege conductor.
And
now you see Kekewege conductor, you're not happy.
Now this is like kidnappers, not be kidnappers.
You're not happy.
See.
What are we kidnappers?
Don't run, you won't run.
See, run for what?
People will gather for me and you now.
I get the money here, I no give you now.
In fact, cemetery.
Okay.
Give us our money.
Man, pay the money.
Yes.
If you don't make a payment like this money, when I can't even drop from my last destination.
I no go.
You know that
drop me outside. I no go do am.
Okay, no.
You know. See,
respect yourself.
Bro, man, I go disgrace you here.
I go with you.
Man, I dey want
I go with you.
Make una want because I go disgrace this man here now. I go disgrace you.
Okay, now.
Man, come. Imagine. Instead of me to carry you enter here, I no go do am.
No wahala. No problem. I don't give that. I get that here. I get the money here. I don't give that.
Now we make mistake.
Okay.
Like say we ask this idiot for an ID card. I sure say this guy come up from one of all these IKEA home.
You know whether na correct human being?
Yes.
Me. Now be kidnappers.
We claim it.
Might tell you, instead of me to carry this keke drop you inside, then to forget the money.
Then bye.
Forget the money.
Ritualist.
We claim it.
Forget the money.
Carry the money, go.
Imagine.
Nonsense.
Go.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Imagine. Madman.
Waka. I no go enter this motor. Driver, carry this idiot. Go there.
No call am motor. Keke.
I don't enter this keke, carry this idiot. So making carry that money, what is 800 naira? Imagine, enter, may we talk. Enter, money.
Now, boy, go. Come here, see your door. Now, maybe say this.
Imagine, imagine come now, who carry my key? Where my key?
Oh, this is not enter.
Where, no, it's not. I need my key. That's what I'm saying.
This madness don't enter your body.
Where my key? I don't hear.
Behave well.
My key.
Boy,
My key.
enter motor. Behave
My
well.
key.
Ah,
What's in my key? My key. My key.
boy, my motor.
My key.
Oh, this boy don't infect my conductor.
Okay, I see him. You see him? There, here. Now don't let me go fire you.
Don't worry.
Kwarunu mogene. Chai. Ogene ntike. Obo piarunu mogene o.
So, now what think of you?
My name is Ogene. You know, I later became Ogene Ntike because the way children were playing with my name, I wasn't comfortable with it. I said, how can I be bearing a name and children play with it? So I decided to go to answer Ogene Ntike. You understand? But later I became Chidodo. You understand? But as it is now, I'm trying to go back to Ogene Ntike, which is my original name, sir.
Ogene Ntike.
Ntike. That is ear strong, ear hard. Yes.
Where you come from?
Oh, sir, my father is from Isunjaba, and my mother is from Ozowani.
They will just scatter your parents. Where you come from now?
Oh, sir, if you look at the geography, you will see that I came from middle.
Center.
Center. Yes, I came from center.
Obana 80.
You should say that you don't have money where the way be.
Honestly speaking, with all honesty, heaven knows, heaven will bear us witness. We will bring your money. We will even pay before time, especially when I have my partner in crime on board. Everything is settled.
Crime?
Sir, sorry, no be, sir, pardon. Father, pardon net. No be waiting you talk. This thing mismouth. Is mismind. Sir, no be waiting. One talk say when they have a co-pilot, though we never drive plane, we did still dream to drive plane, sir.
Hey! What is your name?
My name, sir, my personal name, my original name, Nwambe. Nwambe Nwikuku. Now from Obosi I come from. Nwambe Nwikuku, sir. Now be my personal name. As you dey see us like this, you dey see car. You see car be us, we be car. Even with the work for collabo for motor. So the man who would drive in Gonguro, that man buy 6 new Gonguro, chara one. Then we drive a Danfo. The man who would drive in Danfo, it be like say my 8. Him buy 8. Another one we would drive in, we try to drive in trailer. Although he never give us the trailer. We try to drive, him buy another one.
Yes.
So you give another person, don't give us.
Okay, we are so used to car that when we go close to car starts.
Collabo.
We know that this is the car. On approaching the car will start.
Open door.
Because the car is us with our car.
We are car.
Sometimes we even handle one steering and match one brake.
Wait. So now do well for that the 2 or 3 companies when I don't work for. Why not come up for them?
Oh, sir, we left that place because the man was no longer. In fact, he was confused.
The way we
Sir,
deliver.
yes, the people used to deliver for 4,000, but we are delivering over 4,000. And the way the money was coming in quantum, the man became confused and was like, hey, "Is it that you people are money ritualists? Why is it that other people are bringing?" Sir?
Una do well. I make una dress well.
Thank you, sir.
Una dress well.
Thank you, sir.
Good dressing. Yes, sir. Before I will give you my motor. Now one thing that go make me dey sure.
So make it 2 things.
I go make me dey sure and I go chop my money.
One is even small.
Teresa.
Honestly, we'll make it up to you.
Our duty not to come give people money. Now make the man what he say. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Even though say the man talks to 5,000, you know say no
go deliver.
You say 5,000. We'll give him 5,000. What is it?
Boom. Kill who is a killer. Kill any killist. Anybody that is planning to chop my money. Kill him!
ogene na ha nwambekwu na-ege ọkwa pilot welusia driver welu iye yo
Yes. We don't arrive. Finally. Okay. How many years? What will they suffer? From Baro to Keke. For Keke now. Hey!
Thunder fire all those our enemies who said we are not going to make it. Have we not made it now?
I thunder going fire them.
Oh, do you know, honestly speaking, when he went out to go and bring that thing that looks like a foreign cup, I thought he was serving us tea. I didn't know he was going to bring champ. At the point, something came into me and said, you can withstand it, are you not a man? You know what we're going to do now? The first assignment we're going to carry out now is to go and meet our babies. Right. Show them that we have arrived, that we've made it.
Our babies. In no point. Hey, Mwam. I'll go, what are you going to do now? Mwam, I would like to call her now.
Yes, because we need to show those girls, tantalize them, concordize them, megamize them. In fact, anything that has to do with them, we'll spoil them. We'll show them love until they know that, in fact, in this world, there will be no word love again.
No point to doing this job. No point. No need.
We are here, we have arrived. Money we have made. Pilots we have pilots.
My turn now. There you go, Suffer now. You don't see them. We not go carry. We know they walk today.
Don't mind them, we know they go. Nobody will enter this motor until I come when they enter the house. I come when they go dispatching this motor.
It is stop.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. We dey happy.
Yes, sir.
We are fine, sir. Now,
our guy just made us happy.
Thank you.
Well,
how much they hand? 200 naira. Open draw. Count every money when they there. How much? 1, 2. Go put that account. I said go put that account and they tell you the other thing. You know that sense?
Chief.
Who's the one?
Let me start going up.
What's that?
Hey. But Chief, I don't understand. Are you sure you made the right choice? Those boys are not looking responsible at all.
Those boys? Leave them for me. Those boys will like person will be say, maybe they go fit do something. All those ones don't they get sense. Woo! I tell you.
Yeah.
Well,
if you say so, but the way they are dressed, I don't even like it. They're looking like touts. Ojuloi of me. Just be managing this. Let me go and get your food. Chifo. You will go. I'm telling you.
Oh, babe, this one again and the one they called us to wait for them here. Could it be they want a lottery or something?
It may be.
from the way they sounded. But it's not my business as long as they keep delivering all the money they work hard to get to.
Chicks, man.
What are you guys celebrating?
Look, let me tell you, we have arrived, we have made money. You understand? As you can see now, God has blessed us. Nyafu nyafu. We just bought this bus now. We bought it two. One Tokumbo and one new one. So the agreement is, the understanding is, we'll be driving one today, then driving one tomorrow. The new one, they are trying to fix the plate number in the new one. Do you know what? We decided to customize the plate number. You got that? One in the front, the one in the front will be a one. Then the one at the back, okay. That is not even the end though. This one is just Genesis. By the time we get to Malachi, Miranezo, you know, our luxurious bus is in the wharf. In fact, it's about to land. Even the tipper, yes, even the tipper, is about to land. By the time that one lands and will come, we chop nyafu nyafu.
Are you serious?
You see what thing they talk, whether we serious, don't be saying you don't even know us. If you know this man here, you could call us man.
Yeah.
Man! Man! Hey, boy, tap. Height is of no barrier. I am telling you that you're taller than me does not mean anything. Yeah. Oh, baby, you know, see what we are going to do now. I don't like this environment. It's not conducive. Let us take you people to a joint and spoil you. Oh, you can have one. Your head enter my mouth, but the switch, no problem. Let us leave this place now and go and spoil ourselves. Right. Let me spoil you a little. Right, oh, face sick. Another one. Volume 5. Let us go. No, my head there.
When you see a woman, oh, until she prove otherwise. When you see a man, no child, until you test and see. Try, I say, don't be fool, oh, a fool, by what you see. You see, even salt, they like sugar, right? Bina, they like cocoa.
B2, 1.
One bit, again. Which one way you stop? You see any obstacle for road?
No, see passenger. The day like say na chatter they want.
You dey talk sometimes as if say you don't know where would they go. Chatter. Which chatter pass these people waiting for this place now? This fine chicks who carry for this place. Which chatter?
What's the problem now? We just want to talk about Sabino they go.
Shut up, boy. See the way you look like some onya pirate.
Oga, you never reach like that. Now because say this car resemble the one we go our direction.
This car resemble the car where they go your destination. You stop am for your dream. Because if your eyes they see road very well, you go notice say this person where they for this place, not be person where they go the same place where they go. If you open your eyes very well, you go see say this one manager where they for back here, no they go the same place where they go. And that's this car be like person car where they go where they go. See, make I advise you, madam, if you're looking for a boyfriend, look for a better boyfriend than Haska, not this dark tan. See how black he is. Dark tan. And one bit. See, make I tell you, if not be because of say you be my partner in crime, if not be because of say me and you don't do the wrong things, I will just stop you for this place and make follow this place.
Pilot one, no use me. Never, no. As you become pilot, that's how I be pilot. Not even use me, shine. Waiting be your own. You do on your range, I do on my own.
Then if I do on my range, you do your range. Let us Range Roverize together.
Then make it a sport. What are you telling me? Range out.
Range out. Ashawo, shut up.
Aqua pilot welosia, driver welu, driver welosia.
Holy Ghost is my Holy Ghost. Just music he go sing in the church. The 10 pastor go take out. Holy Ghost, fire! Killing everywhere. If I am armed robber, I will kill him with this time. Na zalong. Say you me some gaskiya. That he do this thing.
Sule is still washing this car. Sule, are you still cleaning this car?
Sule, come. Sule, come. See these boys.
Which boy?
The driver, bus driver.
The river.
Yes. Once they come, collect 5,000 naira from them.
5,000.
Count them well.
Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. 5,000.
Suleiman.
What else?
This one that you're doing your mouth like Odalambi. Make sure you count that money very well.
But I never understand me very well. Me what you don't go to is the banks. Count them. Is it counting everywhere? What the bank is counting and not here. 5,000 is small money.
And listen to me. Make sure that you water all these flowers. Then go to the backyard. Make sure you pack everything at the backyard.
I go back, Wale.
Keep this compound very clean. I don't want to see any dirty when I come back, okay?
I no go see, Wale.
Ogene na ha, mwambe kunege. Okwa pilot welusia, driver welu. Driver welusia, conductor welu. Okwa conductor welu.
Look, look, let me make sure you bring the chicken. Oh. Put enough pepper in the chicken because my girls don't like, pepper without chicken. Chicken without pepper. Baby, we are going to use this day. I know it is not your birthday yet. Your birthday is yet to come. Yeah. We'll rewind it. Today is going to be somebody's birthday. Hey. We are going to eat. Look, we have arrived though. We have arrived. God has finally answered our prayer today. We've been praying for a very long time. Yes. And God said to us, my children, kulele. The hour is coming when you people will eat banyo. The hour has come now to eat nyaf. So let me feed you. I'm a lover boy.
Yeah, Madam Pino. Madam Pipi. Waiting for you now. Bring him Kwabi.
Make him bring her. You don't see the good. Say you they do this thing. Miss her with him Kwabi.
Madam, let me tell you. You see this tire you see here with the rim alone is 15,000.
Yes, is everything.
If you add the jack,
35.
everything is going to be like 20,000 plus. 20,000 plus. You understand? Madam, our ATM, like he said, developed a problem. Tomorrow we are going to go to the bank. Withdraw. By the time we withdraw, we'll come, we settle you, we carry our jack and tire and move there.
Tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow.
I know the same market like that too.
It's okay.
I will keep on phone. Make una try be my money tomorrow for me. I don't want to allow.
Okay.
Thank you. Where? Which one? Where are we going now? We are going home now. Hey, home. Where is motor? Where can motor park? Where is park? Okay, there.
Ogene ntike ogbo piarunu mo ogene ogene ndi diego kwalunu mo ogene ogene ndike nwanne fabu mi ogene ogene ndike ogene na ha nwambeku na-ege ọkwa pilot welusia driver welu driver welusia conductor welu ọkwa conductor welusia passenger welu passenger welusia onye ga-ewezi
This one I'm dancing. I'm not interested in this guy. Listen, instruction that Oga give up. That if two of me I come back from work, let me give money because I travel, I come out to my wife. Come back. Let me give 5,000.
Okay, come on.
Wallahi. I'm
the money you need the cash. You need them check.
Abba.
The money you need, you want them cash, you want them check.
Listen, what is the question am I asking me? What you give? Let me tell her is that give number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. 5,000 cash you don't give me, ba.
Let me tell you something. I don't even know if you have common sense. Because if you have common sense, should have told you, in fact, advised you that we have brain above. We are brainy more than you, Ochin. Who told you that on a normal day we will count 5,000 and give to Ochin?
Not possible.
Because I know you. I'm angry. I know you very well. It is this same vagabond standing here. You will go and tell Oga that we did not give you money. Instead of me to count, in fact, instead of us to jointly with one hand and one mind give you 5,000, we better put the we rather put this money in the bank and wait for Oga. Hand the money over to Oga, red-handed, instead of giving it to a couple like you. Let me tell you what you
mean.
In fact, you know, and you need to know. Your work is at the gate. Your work is at the gate. Open and close. Now open the gate. Let us move.
Right. I get it. I want to say to me, you know why I didn't get time for me for 2 people? Because 2 of me are smelling alcohol. You understand?
Which is very
because now you are going dance. Yes, if I get collected, I will give 5,000. That's what concern me. But the time I will understand that this is a cheap security of this compound. If now you up to, you don't give money. Come and go out. Open the gate. One way. So make it able.
Go look for.
Anyori, I was here.
Go look for weapon. Go look for weapon. Which side? Where weapon?
Keep weapon here. No, who keep weapon? Which way are we going? I need to go. I am waiting for you here. Let me go. Come on.
That guy is barking like a dog. Let us leave him. You know we are.
Ogene ndi Diego. Kwalo no mo ogene o. Ogene ndi ke. Wanne fago mi.
Okay, you're trying to say now you want to believe this boy ahead of us. Because okay, this boy is a criminal. I can remember how we passed. We came, I can trace our route, how we got to this boy. I gave him 4,000 naira.
Not before that, now you didn't make mistake. Now 5,000.
Oh, slip of tongue. We gave him 5,000 naira. And this boy, in our very before, denied that we did not give him money. Okay, this boy is a criminal. I am telling you. This boy is a criminal. We gave him. Do you know, because we know this boy, we had to hide. Shortly after, we saw a girl came out jumping, rejoicing happily. We suspected that this boy must have come down from that girl and gave her the money we handed to him. Here and now, this boy had the effrontery, opened his mouth and was saying that we did not give him any money. But can you imagine? What kind of a lie is that?
Oga, these people, I am a liar, I will die.
We know.
Understand? These people, I am a amorous.
We know.
These people, I didn't go to
we know.
But the time I respect them for you, but if not respect it for you, I will destroy myself and kill me.
That is where the problem lies now. Because we cannot afford to convert our boss to an ambulance. You understand? We cannot take this urchin to his village.
We no go do one. Okay, what did they pay me about this man? Say that first time when you give him the money, I can't know say this man a criminal. He can't count and say na 3,000. 2 of us come cross and say yay. He count again. He say na 4,000. We say yay. Finally, he can't count and say na 4,500. We say, hey, now finally come. Say na 5,000. He come dey beg us now. Say make you give him 500 naira. Say you will be good man. No, they give him food. You say you be wicked man. Yes. Okay, you be wicked man.
Listen, let me tell you. Let me remember again. If I make go, it's not concern me. If you be, I will destroy myself very soon. Okay, these people I can live with lie. I am lying. Understand? These people I am a criminal. I am armed robbers. I see my face. Me, now me, you only for 20 years. You don't for me. He never lied. I suspect my face. It was the time I was calling, was suspecting what is happening with me. I tell her, let me see Oga. I go there. I said, stop there! Because I said, the security was the compound. That's why you tell her. Understand? The time I respect me, if not you respect, I will kill me.
You know me do it. Oh yeah, come.
What's wrong with you?
Come off my house, man.
Samantha, go one thing. Make two of us go first. Because if you follow us, now in that body go see. I go kill him.
Leave. Okay, look, we want to make a very good observation. Please, and please, look what you're going to do for us now is, okay, we will not want to deal with this idiot again. Already, see what he's trying to deny us before you. Okay, what you're going to do for us is get a secretary. In fact, get a cashier, a permanent secretary, who will be collecting this money from us. Yes. Because we cannot afford to give this useless idiot here money, and you come and deny us in the very before.
I'm very sorry. This is what caused me. I was angry. I was very, very angry. I was provoked. If not you, I don't think me.
Okay, one more.
That thing called Amara. I will see me.
You. Okay. By 6 o'clock today, if I don't see my money, I'm not there for trouble.
Okay, 6 is even too much. 5.59. Your money is available.
No, it's not complete. 5, you get it. Yesterday, when I do work, do night, go 9 o'clock. Why the money no go?
Side for circumstance.
No, it's not begin. Side English. They know how true.
Come over there! Come here! Come here! Oh!
Wait till I know like.
Move here! Move here! Okay. I'm moving.
Kwaro no mogene. Chai. Ogene ntike. Obo piano no mogene o. Ogene ndi Diego. Nja iye. Kwaro no mogene o. Ogene ndike.
I know them and know the kind of guys where they be. They never come by now. Just let them be.
It's better we get there and wait for them first. Let's go. See, I want today to be better than yesterday. Because yesterday, Ogene ended up giving me 1,500 naira. And it's not funny.
You're even lucky. Ogene gave you 1,500. My own 9 was passed. You know that lover boy, Nwambe? He gave me 800 naira. And this is not funny. Nobody said he gave me 800 and they pay me. Now the way the money take come, combination of 100 naira, 50, 20, almighty 10 naira, even 5 naira. This is not funny at all. As if you say I be police where they stand for road.
I pray today will be better than yesterday. Let's go in now.
When you see a woman, oh, fear her more until she prove otherwise.
Shadow, let her back. My friend, for that, you go see person they go. Which kind of person?
See me sit drop.
We no go carry full passenger. Everybody go call. They look face.
Last bus stop. Okibo is so Jamanasa Obogama. So Jamanasa is so Jamanasa Obogama.
BT, huh? BT, give me change. How much be her change?
I change now. I think not 200.
You say 400, I take the 400. Go for it, take carry.
Don't be 400, not 300.
Take this one, do change. Take this one. You wait for collect before. 5 people make the give me one. Take my own. I carry 1K and me and my baby get in.
You get how much?
1,000. I go to 4.
You dey here now, they look for change for person bring 500. Or they will take 1,000.
Go to the work smart.
In fact, because they carry 100.
We know they carry Uguaku bus stop. We know they carry Uguaku.
B2. See this bros. Why carry him babe? Catch him double. Boy, enter me because I need a new man for this room.
Don't be my woman. I'm not gonna see you.
We not gonna even carry again. We not gonna even carry again.
Oh, bye-bye, yo. Don't mind them. Now, criminal, where they be?
Our folks, they call us criminal.
I beg, they go.
I beg, carry us, they go where we go, I beg.
Who they talk?
Kwarono mogene, chai, ogene nchike.
No be 15 na carry. Now only 15 planks na carry. Go my shop. Go there first. When I reach the man, I come and talk to my girl. I know say you want to talk about what happened this morning.
Now,
Now just 2 days. And the second day be this. Emma,
Chief, 2 days is enough for someone to dupe somebody.
I know what they do. I'm not a small picking. You know they hear me well.
Hey. Even 1 hour, just 1 minute, somebody will just siphon your money like that.
I know what they do. I know be baby. They hear me so.
So it's just that I don't want anything to happen to you. I don't want you to have high BP at all. You know you are the only one I have now.
Me, die now, the Chris. I go die. Even if I drink poison, only poison go beg me come outside.
Anyway, Chike called.
What's going on again, man?
He said he want me to come over to Lagos and stay with them.
Ikwete. Sam.
Chief.
Make I tell you. If you know say you want to come out to go their place, go stay. Make his sister come down here. Make him take care of me. I don't go fit to release my wife. May go to take care of another family. Chicken another family. In a big boy now. Person will marry. I'm saying in a big boy.
Wait, Chief. Are you indirectly telling me that you don't want me to go to Lagos?
I put me down.
Yeah.
See, this house go too big for me. If in sister they come here, make you for go that side. I know how many big go. Wait, they go beg me before I agree. Because make everybody stay with your wife. I mean, they marry you.
Yeah. Chief, why now? Okay, is it because you want?
Make the other person go first before you go. You want run?
It's not running now. At least let me go and enjoy.
You won't carry my things, you won't carry my things. You don't know what I do for you. This is a place that I'm going to be able my engine.
Hey, don't go there, Chief. It's just because of your diet.
Make me come first. Make come. Not carry my property come out.
When you see a woman, until she prove otherwise. When you see a man, try until you test.
Hey, my baby. Our people did not wait for long. And we are very sorry. The road was very, very bad. A lot of traffic. So that was what happened. It won't happen again, yeah? We want you people to follow us to Okigwe so that the road will be smooth for us. Yeah? Okay. Madam, go to the back. Better still, go to the booth.
What does that mean?
What I mean by go to the back is come down, the original occupant want to occupy the space. Then you go to the booth.
What do you mean that I should go to the back?
You don't understand English again?
What do you mean that I should go to the back?
What I mean is come down and go to the...
Do you know me?
I know you. You are a passenger that will pick from the park.
If not that my car had an issue, will you see me entering this public transport?
Your car had issue. See me, see trouble. Your car had issue. How does that affect me? My business with you is you entered my bus for me to take you to Okigwe. That is all.
Why will you look at me and tell me to come down from the...
I didn't look at you.
Don't touch me again. Don't touch me.
What is wrong with you?
Just because of this girl, that's what...
I
will not even enter this vehicle again.
Yes, go. No problem, go.
I won't enter again.
Say with your own.
I won't enter again.
Hey, you, come down. Come down, go back. Go back.
Go for back. Okay, come on for that place.
Go back.
Go back, go for back.
Because of all these people.
Go enter again.
I'm not even pretending people. I'm not letting them inside the car again.
Go, who put this people for motor?
Can you imagine? Can you imagine?
Boy, who knows this people?
Look at the car.
Where we go, where we go? Where you go, baby? By the grapple. No, can I go carry you?
I beg you, come on, let's go. I beg.
Which one I want to find they go? Now go, I got back, I for here. How many steps you go? How much do you think you cost? Imagine.
Here you go there. Keke go come carry you. Don't be big keke. Na barrow push I go.
Look at joy killers. You want to kill our joy?
See this girl, now she go be.
Okene na ha, mwambe kunege. Okwa pilot welosia, driver welu. Driver welosia, conductor welu. Okwa conductor.
Oh, Oga driver. What happened again?
My Akwanwa here says she wants to throw saliva. So let's give her like 1 hour to make herself comfortable.
Wait. Because of ordinary saliva, that's why you stopped.
Oh, what kind of journey be this one? If I never give you money, I for cry money enter that bus. So you people be very stupid.
What in me? If they no go take na you today here, come here. And I heard as we dey talk, you know they look sideways. No even try look at my baby.
I beg you, Waka.
Close your mouth.
I beg, I get question for now. May I ask you this question, I beg. You sure say una no be psychiatric patients? Abi una be power tappers? I know they go again. In fact, give me my money, make I go. Give me my 200, conductor.
Give you your money?
Yes.
Only thief. Come collect that. I even tell you that Akwanwa won't take 1 hour. Take the rest alive, and now she use only 2 minutes, and honestly they complain. Nonsense.
They go again. Make I go down.
Go down, no. One go down, no. I tell you that 1 hour. She spent 2 minutes. When I say they complain. So don't be so they will do something.
When you see a woman, oh, fear her more until she prove otherwise. When you see a man, oh, child, fear her more until you test and see. Child,
yeah, you want to enter?
I want to enter front now.
You want to enter front? You want to enter front to come and use your nonsense board and rub on my Akwanwa? Bros, let me tell you, is either you go back or you get out of this place. Go back.
I said I want to enter front. Are you okay? Bros, I said go back there. If you know they go back there. You're not okay. I said I want to enter front. Leave this thing.
What is your house? You crazy?
Una know who I be for
you be?
Una don't fear taste.
Push face. You ain't.
I said get out.
What? Ebe, come on. Wait, man. Look at this door. Hey, don't let me. Go on, Sule! Alma! Where is West? Joy. The driver.
Oh, I'm in Geneva.
Yes.
I never come back with lie. I tell him, hey,
Anytime they come. Yesterday they told 6 o'clock, they don't pay me. Even before 6. Anytime they come, open this gate. Once they come inside the locker, tell us how they call us.
Okay, that's why I am angry with myself. Because that's why I tell you, after 5.70, I could bring me back, drink money.
Shut up!
How? Don't just spoil my business for you back.
Shut up, my friend!
Okay, I am not happiness because of what I will do is my business.
If they come, once they open door, they drive inside, lock them. They make the way that they tell you.
Please, you can ask me one question. I mean the deriva and condenser. If I come back, I lock my door.
$4,249. Yeah.
That's so good.
The way we think the way I take the worry, you know the way they try to cool my temper and I say that girl for reception, she even give us key. I say we wait for that girl from that begin to check this boy. Like, you don't say that she everything for us. Yeah? And I think I want to go down and I go begin to pay this money, give this girl.
Pay how much?
4,249 naira this place now. And the respect we will come down and come go pay 2,000 naira for one. We come go pay 2,000 naira now. We think we go pay for 240 naira. It important me now because I don't know. We need money. We're supposed to take sponsor our babes, sponsor their food. You understand? Sponsor their drink. We money.
You don't even fall because of that one. We got 1,200. You still get what? We think we do and the case.
Okay, now what do you suggest and say no? Because we know the day here pay for room, finish, these guys will come, they look at them, they look us. You understand? We need extra money. We need extra money for hand. What we say, even if the woman talk say na shawarma, we buy them. They talk say na donut, we buy.
Damn, I'm looking at how many times we can.
4.
Okay, I'm 2 for. We feel blind with them. As in, you know.
If we ask nonsense question, we don't make person first. We dey drive with train like again.
Not true. If we come out to use train, I go there like this. Okay, we will lose the 2 front headlamp. Do for person who go pay any amount.
Common sense no tell you say headlamp be like light, eye wey person take the see road. If you go plug eye comot, eye wan take see road go where e dey go. If we go comot that headlamp as e dey talk, enter road tomorrow morning, the first thing wey police go see na say your motor no get headlamp. The next one go say make we park. We get money, we take bail ourselves.
No be even say they go arrest us. If say we enter night, you don't say na true we talk, we no go see light again wey we go use.
I don't think my brain don, I don't know wetin I know the thing straight again. The one wey dey bother me na we need to sponsor our babies. You know, sponsor their food and drink.
Okay, you know, say, as Oga give us that tomato, give us one oil. He say, use this oil here. I dey change my motor or engine oil every 2 weeks or 3 weeks. And we no even remember to change that oil. The oil dey with us. We make use of that oil.
You know, say we deposit tire and spare tire and jack and other things for that woman place. We never recover that one. If we can't go carry this oil, in fact, yes, that's what we do. We could sell the oil, carry the oil, go. But wait, which people could feel buy this oil by this time? I don't forget, say that what they call. See, I see all those black market people, they sell this thing. Yes, we sell oil.
In that case, you could go and go sell.
Okay, as I'm talking to you now, we're in the dilemma. Oga, armed robbers stopped us. In fact, as I speak to you now, gun is on our head. Oga, no, it's not pussycat. It's one day is crying, it's not pussycat. Okay, see what you're going to do for us now. See what you're going to do for us now, okay? Enter fasting and pray. Pray for us so that this time Okay, people I'm seeing these armed robbers, they are born again Christians. Okay, one place is one be crying. You hear? It's not pussycat, it's one be. Because they know.
Okay, you don't cut.
You don't cut.
I was so happy so that you don't see the armed robber. They serious.
I say you're one slapping. As I come, I come.
So how good?
Yeah, what you do now is say, make I go downstairs now. Pay the hotel. Now so we don't get hope. So we go sell oil, take care money, we take sponsor our chicks. Make I go downstairs now, pay. Then
because say you get trust you. You go need you to get come back. You don't know whether we feel safe tonight. Who this one? Chop can go to my baby. Good lamb. No different death.
But what I try to avoid. This one always make I don't give them first. What I they avoid now. When I will enjoy with my babe, somebody will come now, say room money.
No, if you sell, you give them the money. What now they talk like give me the 40 man take chop cheap.
Don't worry yourself. Look at for the fence.
But babe, why did I even agree to this?
Money, of course.
But money. See, let me tell you, if they refuse to bring the reasonable amount to this place, he will sleep on the floor, then I will sleep on the bed.
Babe, I don't understand you. Were you thinking of sleeping with Ogene before? Oh, as for me, I will make sure I drag every single kobo from that woman's pocket before I will even think of giving him a deeper hug. Then seeing the real thing will cost him like selling that Yayeye boss and giving me like 300k. Else, he will keep dreaming.
Those men are real idiots. Until then, we have to keep playing on their foolishness.
Gibbs.
Me. Those boys don't put hand for fire.
Chief.
Make I tell you. Any pikin wey you see when they dance, you should look at the dance. For sure. That person, that child, you don't know say that you should look at the dance. It's spiritual.
Chief, I told you this initially, but you never wanted to listen to me. Eh? I saw it all coming. Chifu, is it because I'm a woman? That's why you never cared to listen to me.
Leave that one for me. I may be chief work.
Huh?
Eh? Up what budget?
I'm a one make an out to the Wabaji.
Go give my food.
Eh?
Go give my food.
Oh, come on, you better do something about it. I'll get your food. But do something. I don't like this. This is not the chief I used to know. Come down with that.
Please no. I've been begging you for a very long time. Relax yourself. You understand? I don't even know. In fact, if you see the way I love you inside my heart, if you see the way each time I mention your name, my heart rejoices as if I'm a new pumping. I want to look the way I love you. If you are mineral, I will drink you and chop the bottle. Honestly, please, just what I'm begging you for. In fact, I don't even need to tell you how much I love you with my own mouth. Taking the risk of coming to this place is just because I love you. If I don't love you, I cannot take this risk to come to this place. You got that? So what I'm begging you is, let me sleep with you. You got that? You hold me, I hold you. We sleep kulele, we wake up kulele, and we go our own kulele.
By bringing me to this stupid and cheap hotel, and buying me food without meat.
Look, I may have brought you to this place. You understand? This is temporary. Let me tell you, Akwongo, we have our luxurious boss. In fact, that is in the wharf. By the time we clear that luxury, I will show you what is a visit. In fact, I will visualize you. I will take you to places. I will take you to Japan. I will take you to Rome. I will take you to France. I will take you to first capital of the world, America. You understand? To go and visualize you and you see what is love. So please, I'm begging you to go. Let you soften your heart for me.
Until then, you have to sleep on the bed floor. Or do you want me to go out there and sleep with another man?
Am I stupid? How can I? You see, I don't even know. Do you know that sometimes a love can make somebody, love can carry you away. I don't even know. When I know that I used to sleep on the bed floor, I don't even know what came up my head to say, I want to sleep with you. Sleep, baby, sleep. Sleep, let me look for something and just... Okay, even if
just sleep on the bed floor.
Okay, boy floor.
Bed floor.
Oh, bed floor. I thought you said boy floor. I said, which one is boy floor again? Good night.
Why you go say make I enter inside toilet? You won't make I go there go suffocate to die.
If you tell me say you don't love me now, Were you not the one that told me that you would do anything for me?
Na me talk am. Say I love you. Don't be saying a person will look like me. Not me.
Then go and survive in the toilet. Go and survive there.
You won't make I go.
I tell you this place.
I love you, but we'll think I'm now to go for the toilet. That one follow for love.
Do you want me to leave this room for you? Do you want me to do that? Then go and survive there.
Me to go.
Go.
No problem. Sleep well. Sleep tight. Sleep. Let me cover you.
I said you go and sleep there.
When you see a woman, fear her more until she prove otherwise.
Madam, I don't see her. Good. But I go buy her. And you know, say, if I buy her, I go still go sell her. So, how much?
You see, the value of that tire for my hand now 13K. At least, you know how much you go buy him now. 7,000 is too small. Make him 8,000.
And because I see Jack, Bana, and brothers for there, that is why I price 7,000. If not, 3,000 I will give you.
3,000 naira?
And the tire, one side of the tire don't
you won't kill me, oh. Just make him 8,000 naira.
No, this is good for 7,000 naira.
Oh, it's okay. Just put for them.
Put this thing inside.
Aqua pilot Welosia, driver Welu, driver Welosia, conductor Welu, Aqua conductor Welosia, passenger Welu, passenger Welosia, Onyege Wezio.
I think there's a problem. The fuel indicator started showing yellow, which means there's no fuel.
Hey, that's what we go do. We go buy, we no buy. Even the person said, don't drop.
What do you think we should do?
No, what do you go think? What do you go do now?
Hey. You remember that man that asked us to carry his dead number to Enugu as we come back?
Okay, that man.
That we refused. Let us go back and carry the number and enjoy the smell.
Number we don't die in 2 days. They come final. They final. 3 days now, don't die. Eat the smell.
No, we enjoy the smell.
Okay, fine. Now where we go keep them?
Listen, let us forget about where we will keep them. The most important thing is the money. We need to make this money and balance up accounts today.
Even if we say maybe we go carry them there, before we come turn, go another person for don't come and carry them. So if we reach there now, the later one will take them papa, we go west. So that woman will buy fuel black market for them. You say the woman the I make this and me.
So what did they talk?
Where's the talk now? Be sent at the time to use that woman get what you want. You go, not be me again, not be me. Make we go there. Instead, make we forget this one now. Use the little one where we get now. Enter that. And which kind of vampire be this?
So actually, we are trying to get that time when we were traveling, you know, there was a man here. We bought inchi from the man, so we wanted to buy inchi for you people. You know,
it's okay. We don't want to hear.
You know, it was actually at this spot. So we were looking around and to see if we can see the man, but we didn't see the man. So you know, but maybe some other time when we are, you know, we buy inchi for you people. Yeah. Please, I don't want people to be angry. Don't misunderstand it too.
Where's the car stereo now?
Oh, the car stereo. You know this made in China car stereo. You understand? It's the easily developed fort. As we left Enugu, on arriving Okigwe, before you know it, it started developing small forts. We decided to drop it to one mechanic there. Where?
That's so.
So, but we're going to take it very soon. I know you're missing that song. Sorry. It's okay.
Family.
Sorry, yeah. We'll soon put AC for you guys. We'll soon put AC. Just like the factory put AC is. You don't finish? I don't finish. So much stop that.
Start, make the fuel circulate. Go everywhere from the head into the bottom. How much is your money? 4,800. Okay, 4,800. Yes. No, even like 4,800. 4,800. You can say in now 4,800. No, if you reach 8,000.
Come. What's the move for this place?
Fuel.
Which kind of fuel you give us? So you carry fuel when they mix water, sell give us. Now the motor not start again.
What do you mean by that?
You know they smell like.
Now fuel I put inside this place. No, I no use. When I do that kind of thing, yo.
Bros, I don't
smell. Fuel I put here. No be only una wey I dey save fuel for this Okigwe road. I don dey save fuel here for years. No, I
don't smell this thing now. You know they smell fuel. Okay, why motor no start?
So now you, people like you, now they say I don't trade fuel because we have police station in this place. We need to go report to the police. Say that they sell I don't trade fuel for this place.
Forget this thing.
Don't try.
Bros, let me back.
Come.
Aha, mwambe kunege. Akwa pilot welosia, driver welu. Driver welosia, conductor welu. Akwa conductor welosia, passenger welu.
Plenty one. I take her. What is wrong with me? This one is making level 2 police. Why don't go here? Level 1 don't go Idango. Level 2 don't go here. Because of this single boy, Oga, I want to miss the time. Take care of this deriva and condenser. You don't go here. Make a word a help them. Take the deriva and condenser. But I know enter the trap of this one. If you enter, lock is the threat. Collision. Understand? Prison is the threat. I will kill me. I tell me before, don't make me drive motor, give money, 5,000, 20,000, you don't put pocket. The real go there says, Oga, careful, you don't take that thing. Sorry, it's me. You don't concern me.
Say, don't be fooled by what you see. You see. Even salt, they like sugar. Right, bina, they like cocoa. I'm an opinion about me. Man of opinion, where's Bobby? Obi kerenke, Obi nke.
Can't you recognize your elder when you see him?
Who did you call small girl? Who did you call small girl? You call my one small girl. You open your mouth. In fact, for calling her a small girl, you are very mad. You're crazy.
Are you talking to me?
Who are you? Amariko. Who are you? I cannot talk to you. You open your mouth to call my phone a small girl.
Now which kind of money will we enter so? I don't tire.
You know they talk to you. If they talk to your post, imagine. What did they find here? You won't carry your dead body and sit there like this. Go here, come discomfort somebody.
You both are very stupid.
Look at how you are trying. And you are talking to me anyhow.
What did you just say now?
You are very stupid, very stupid.
Look at this overgrown baby. Come on, which motherless baby home did you bring this girl from?
Will you shut up?
Which of the motherless baby home? I'm sure they'll be looking for her there. The motherless baby home now. Return her out. Return her. You went and dressed her black and blue and slicked her out from motherless baby home. You think you can use her and return her? Let me tell you, the reverend sister in charge of motherless baby home is looking for this girl. Overgrown because you're wearing blue and white. Let me talk. Hey! You're wearing blue and white. You think? Hey! Can I afford what? Think I come man.
Do you know that we can kill you and bury you here because of this thing going on?
Okay, let me show you that I was the leader of my whole war.
Let me
show you that.
Hey! 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 One minute! One minute! Hey! One minute! Oh God! Oh God!
What's it alone? Hey, my own nigga, I didn't have to call you on the good promising and they go now. I'm not playing, you know. I don't play. You know me. You know me. Don't allow that money, yes, I don't know. I think it's going to be my better out. Again, I want that way. I thought you not going for my friend.
Onye nyere si na touch you. Nnukwu alụ melo chai.
In fact, I don't tire. What's all this now? I'm tired of all this your wahala. In fact, I'm tired of all this on our wahala. What kind of thing is this? That's what I did when you carry me. Can't you see the way I'm looking Higi Haga?
I don't even know Higi Haga whether or you are rapping it, you are trying to rap. What I'm saying is that the condition we are into now, you're supposed to have pity. Even myself, I get confused. I don't even tired of this condition. But what I'm telling you, why not go say, okay, now I'm going to make one say make we drop on here. Yeah, they're lonely. Now who go carry on?
I should say somebody waiting for that to go don't put fire for us. They blow which make it for disgrace us before this our babies. Okay, now see that since morning only fight. No common single passenger. There for this our boss. Okay, now the one thing now they blow this now they go in like that with the empty bus. You see, what me I go suggest now, no go to our bar. Even if I want the wife, no go carry. But maybe say our motor no dey empty. No go for blow go this thing.
I beg, babe, we already have 4 corner bus stop. Let's go there, get Keke or Okada back to the house. I'm tired. Please, when you guys make the money, you can come back to us. No. Right now, we are going home. Babe, let's go.
Don't worry, we will hustle. We will hustle. Now we give una small money for Keke. You get small money. You get small money. For Keke. How gonna go Keke? Start your.
Una dey reach any women park?
We dey reach all the whole park.
Okay, cause e get small way below I want to.
You want do small wavy? I hope so no be dead body one carry.
Na just one big industrial farm. Na I wan carry go.
Who get am?
Na me get am.
Who dey send I go give for Enugu?
Na just my friend wey I wan carry am give.
I go bring the industrial farm.
Una suppose follow me go carry am now.
We go follow you go the place.
My house, go carry am.
Come, I sure say, if you like say on our king die, they say make them bring 2 heads where they go take bury king. Because this black and black when you hear, you sure say person die for a place. Or if not be like that, you want this motor, you want steal this motor. Go bring industrial farm. Would they? You go fit carry am come, go carry am come. Carry am come.
Shall una go wait here for me, ba?
We dey here. No, we get the other side.
Ọkwa pilot welusia, driver welu. Driver welusia, conductor welu. Ọkwa conductor welusia, passenger welu. Passenger welusia, onyege wezi.
If you don't act like
they will take us not to be serious. You knew they can prove the real love by selling that yeye box and sharing the money with us. Then they can start the process.
You are very right. Until then, we continue playing them to get what we want.
Exactly. You are right. God knows I will finish their money, whether they like it or not. So exactly.
That's okay. Claiming he loves me, prove it. You give me 1 naira. What is 1 naira? But we have to maintain our fake love to them to get what we want. If that, take a fling.
God knows I will finish their money, whether they like it or not.
Try their pockets, definitely. Find person they will come back down. All in the name of God. Bring money, you will not bring.
When the loser will hear this one.
When you eat food, you know that.
Customers.
Huh?
You never pay me now, you want to go.
Oh, we'll never pay you. Oh, it's alright. How much is your money?
The food one I eat and the drink, all of them na 2,400.
Oh, chicken change.
Yeah, chicken change.
It's not even up to chicken change. It's rat change.
So now food the sweet, I just say it could cost. Hey, so now food is sweet though. Hey,
I never knew I was going to enjoy this food like this. 2,400 naira. What is 2,400 naira? Take your money.
What's it be this one now?
This is vehicle paper. You understand? This vehicle paper, my collateral. In fact, it's collateral. You understand? Like my pilot too said, this paper is equal to this motor that you're seeing here. You understand? So if you have this paper, you have this motor. Take it.
So wait, no one tell me say 2 of una come una our restaurant come chop. No carry money for this una pocket. I don't wanna give my money oh.
Without this thing, you're not gonna move this motor. Let me tell you, it's not as if we don't have money. We had money, plenty of money. You know, over the radio, we overheard the announcement, the news that NNPC are selling their shares. Oh, yes. We had to go and invest over 500 and something million naira. You understand? To buy shares. So the little money we had in the pocket remaining, I didn't know my pilot too gave it to the gate man. He gave it to the gate man out of excitement because of how much we've invested. So he gave it to the gate man. I would have given you an industrial fund that is in this bus. But I said to myself that you cannot be that greedy. So I said no, let us not give you industrial fund. Let us give you something more than industrial fund. You understand? So take this paper.
I beg, I no fit talk. Make I tell you. Now my mama was pass so. If she come here now, meet the 2 of una there for serious problem.
You don't want me to.
Una there for trouble. Una give me my money now.
Sister, see. Hey, again. Why they kneel down? This paper why they kneel down for? Don't you know how much is there?
Not true. Sister, what they tell you? Be say with this thing in your palm, this thing here is useless. It's empty. Give us 2 minutes. You know, I don't know whether I go reach. 2 minutes. We go here, bring your money. Even we go even do advert for you, sir. Do advert, everything. Say on a food.
2 minutes, Abi.
2 minutes. We don't joke with 2 minutes. Because why? A minute you get the baby and what? A minute you get the baby.
Once you reach 2 minutes, I not see for you. If you reach 2 minutes, I'll not be my money. Carry this in a paper.
Enjoy our music.
We don't joke with 2 minutes.
You can go join it together. I'm going next people from those in this hand. I don't know them. I know those colors. I don't die. Don't worry. I'm going to come back some more.
When you see a woman, oh, fear her more until she prove otherwise. When you see a man, oh, child, fear her more until you test and see. Child, I say. Ogene, chai, ogene ntike. Obo piano no ogene o. Ogene ndi Diego. Kwalo no ogene o. Ogene ogene ndike nwanne flọgụ m ya ogene o ogene ndike ogene na ha nwa mbekwu na-ege ọkwa pilot welusia driver welu driver welusia conductor welu ọkwa conductor welusia passenger welu passenger welusia onye ga-ewezi ọ bụkwa nke gị but to remember wetin you talk you must call ya ndị bekee ya onye nyere si na tọọchị yo nnukwu alụ mmelụ chai my brother ịmalụ nke a ịma nke ọzọ agba ọ tụrụ mbe ọ tụrụ okpokoro when you see a woman fear her until she prove otherwise. When you see a man child fear her until you test and see.